Cetaphil have released a brand new product, the Repair and Renew Serum with Gallic Acid. I was lucky enough to be one of the select few dermatologists to try this product out before everyone else. And I'm here to tell you whether this brand spanking new product is worth your hard-earned money. I'm Dr. Sina, a consultant board-certified dermatologist, and I focus on no-nonsense skincare. What's evidence-based, what works, and what's genuinely worth buying. So let's get stuck in. So this serum is marketed as a nighttime repair serum which helps boost your skin's natural repair processes whilst you sleep. So essentially, you wake up with smoother, plumper skin. But what really caught my attention and honestly surprised me at the event is Cetaphil's claim that their new combination of Gallic Acid plus vitamin E is more effective than vitamin C. When I first heard this, I thought, hold on, wait, I need to do a deep dive into this and see what the evidence really says. So let's start at the dragon's mouth and look a bit closer at this combination of Gallic Acid and vitamin E, what Cetaphil calls Gallic AOX, and see whether it can really dethrone vitamin C. First off, what is Gallic Acid? It's a naturally occurring phenolic acid found in a wide variety of fruit, vegetables, nuts, and teas. Both Gallic Acid and its derivatives act as antioxidants. They neutralize reactive oxygen species and mop up free radicals, basically protecting your skin cells from damage and stress caused by things like pollution, inflammation, and sun damage. Now, let's take a look at the evidence. There was a key trial in mice in 2014 showing an increase in production of elastin and an inhibition of the degradation of collagen with topical Gallic Acid, and this was specifically UV-exposed collagen damage. Subsequently, in 2022, there was a further study in vitro, so in the lab, showing a stronger ability of Gallic Acid to inhibit the enzyme called tyrosinase, the enzyme which has a key role in melanin production, compared to vitamin C. But there were more mixed results in terms of antioxidative tests compared to vitamin C in that particular trial. Results in 20 human volunteers did show brightening effects and reduction in melanin compared to controls, but unfortunately that trial did not compare directly in humans with vitamin C. And the truth is that there haven't been large-scale human randomized control trials showing Gallic Acid compared to vitamin C head-to-head. Now, as we all know, lack of evidence doesn't mean evidence of lack. Do I think Gallic Acid has strong antioxidant potential? Absolutely, we may be onto something here. There's a chance that vitamin C can be challenged in the future, but we just need more solid evidence before we go through that process. But okay, let's take a look at some of the other key ingredients in this serum. One thing that I really do like about this serum is that Cetaphil have included hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Alleluia! Essentially, this is an ultra-low molecular weight version of hyaluronic acids, which not only hydrates deeper in the skin, but actually can aid the absorption of other ingredients in doing so. And to be honest, I speak about it loads in other videos in my channel. Other ingredients include Cica and bifida ferment to ensure that your skin barrier is as optimized as it can be at nighttime, leaving your skin supple and smooth in the morning. And of course, there's the omnipresent niacinamide. My god, niacinamide is in everything right now. Now, okay, how do you use this particular serum? Firstly, it's important to say that the Repair and Renew Serum is part of an AM and PM combo. The AM version is called the Advanced Defense Serum, and it also features Gallic AOX, triple hyaluronic acid, so it includes the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid as well, including niacinamide too. Very simple, apply evenly with a dropper and use fingertips to essentially tap the product into your skin lightly. So this serum can even be used as a post-procedure soothing serum, and it's designed with sensitive skin in mind. So the big question, would I add this particular product to my skincare routine? Honestly, yes. The combination of Gallic Acid with vitamin E, another very strong antioxidant which works synergistically, unfortunately I've not had much of a chance to go through it in this particular video, plus also hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, makes it a strong antioxidant formula that deserves its spot on the shelf. What I'm really excited though, however, is seeing the actual split face trials comparing Gallic Acid with vitamin C. Those could be really interesting, and just seeing how the real world results shape up over time. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and allows me to make more content just like this. Dr. Sina, signing off for now.